Okay, so I'm going to do 15 through 18. I want everyone to watch 15 and 16. If you feel good after watching 16, then go ahead and finish the notes and get started on the assignment. If you don't, after 16, then watch all 4 of them. These are different because you have to rearrange them, meaning, let's look at it like this. The top ones were already in order to where we could do what we were doing, but now they're not. So what I mean is the GCF in that would just be X, so we can take something out of that. But if you look at this one, it's going to be just, it looks like 1 is all we can take out. Same thing here. These are, we could take out U in the first 2, but if we were to group these, you can't take anything out. Okay, so hopefully you're seeing that. So what we're going to have to do is just move these basically around to where we can take a GCF out of both. So on this one, I'm going to group, it looks like negative x squared up with this 5x. I'm going to group those together. And then that means what's left is going to be plus 2xy minus 10y. Taking the GCF out of this, we would go ahead and take this negative x out, and then negative x squared divided by that would be x, and 5x divided by negative x would be minus 5. Right here our GCF would be, looks like 2y. I'm just going to make it positive since I'm just going to use that first one there, plus 2y. And then 2xy divided by 2y would be x, and negative 10y divided by 2y would be that. So in the end, you're just, again, you're going to take this, and you're going to take these things. You're going to make this a binomial, and you're going to just write one of these binomials. Okay, so negative x plus 2y beside x minus 5. On 16, it looks like, I've already said these will not, we can't get a GCF out of these. So that's why we're going to have to move stuff around. So I'm going to put negative u squared with this, and I'm going to put this with the v, since those both have a v. So I'm going to have negative u squared minus u. I need to make these better u's. And then I have uv, it'd be plus uv, and then plus v. So right here we're going to take out negative u, and that's going to leave us with a u, and then negative u divided by negative u would be plus 1. Right here we can take out a positive v, so that's what we'll do. And uv divided by v would be u, and v divided by v would be plus 1. So it worked out because these are the same. So we know negative u plus v beside, what was this? I gotta look back at it now. U plus 1. Okay. So if you're good, go ahead and start, or finish the notes, I should say. If not, keep watching. On 17, it looks like I'm going to group this with this, and then I'm going to put this with this one, since we could take out 7n from those two, and we could take out 3m from these two together. So I'll have 12m squared plus 3m, and then plus 28 mn plus 7n. So we're going to take out 3m, and that would leave us with 12m squared divided by that would be 4m. 3m divided by that would be plus 1. Then we can take out 7n right here, and that would leave us with 4m. This divided by 7n would be 4m. 7n divided by 7n would be plus 1. So those match up. That means we got it. And the answer would be 3m plus 7n beside 4m plus 1. If you're still watching, you can go ahead and pause it and try 18 if you want. Otherwise, just keep watching. Looks like I'm gonna group this with, let's see, I'm thinking this. No, I'm wrong. I'm gonna group this and this. So I have 10AB minus 15A, and then minus 14B plus 21. So here we can take out 5A. That leaves us with 2B minus 3. And then right here we can take out negative 7. And that leaves us with, again, 2B minus 3. So if you tried that one and you got 5A minus 7, you're actually not doing as bad as you thought. Okay, finish the notes, finish the assignment. It will be a grade. Don't think it won't be. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.